Ladies and gentlemen, for the nation's sharpest opinion, which is also debate number 2 tonight. 2016, the peak of the Tukde protests in JNU. Pro-Afzal Guru gangs emerging in packs everywhere, saying, Afzal hum sharminda hain, tere qatil zinda hai. Right around the same time, caste protests on Rohit Vemula's death. Protests that Rahul Gandhi joined a hunger strike for, claiming that the Modi government had a hand in ensuring that a student in Hyderabad took his own life. Rahul Gandhi, at that time, started playing the caste card. He went everywhere, like he's doing now, trying to whip up the caste angle. Whip up support for the angle of this being a case of Dalit atrocity. So much so that even as I speak tonight, his 2024 manifesto promises a Rohit Vemula Act for the protection of backward and oppressed communities at universities. Today, in the midst of that very campaign, the Congress government in Telangana has filed a closure report in the Rohit Vemula case, which basically says Rohit Vemula was not a Dalit. That he died by suicide because he was afraid his real caste identity would be discovered. Which means everything that Congress said, everything that was alleged, this whole Dalit atrocity angle, every word of trying to provoke caste violence in the country by Rahul Gandhi was based on fake news. Viewers, when I say things like this, people say, Arnab, I mean, we cannot believe it. How could all of us have been misled for the last 7 to 8 years? Well, you have. That is how strong the fake news machinery has unfortunately become in this country in a post-truth world. Now, the Congress government has said the Rohit Vemula case was a fake case. I'm not saying it. A BJP government is not saying it. The Congress government is saying that the charge put by the Congress party was a fake charge. Someone has to be answerable, ladies and gentlemen. Campus after campus after campus in this country, these Congress people have gone and told students to do all kinds of things using the Rohit Vemula case. Rohit Vemula was not a Dalit. If the Congress says it was wrong to put the allegations against BJP leaders, against Smriti Irani, who was then HRD minister, what face does Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi have anymore? Will you trust these people? We're in the middle of an election. I'm asking you, you trust these people? When the Congress president was confronted by the Republic Media Network, he says, I'll go to the Supreme Court. How random. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the Congress in Delhi will go against the Congress in Karnataka for a Congress report of a Congress-run state that establishes that the Congress narrative of Rahul Gandhi on Rohit Vemula was nothing but a fiction of his imagination, like many of Rahul Gandhi's, a lie he told 1,000 times hoping that it would stick, an absolute lie. A lie like Rafale, a lie like Hindenburg, a lie like Judge Loya's death. Just like the reservation lie, Rahul Gandhi should think long and hard tonight, since he scampered out to Amethi to bolt to his mother's ex-seat, about what today has meant for his political career or the lack of it. He has been established as an individual who has possibly faked a caste card, an individual whose theories his own chief minister does not buy, and an individual who may just have been established as toying with the facts on the death of a young boy at a university just to profiteer from it politically. That's my view. Let's debate.
It's huge and embarrassing for the Congress. Telangana police has filed a closure report in the 2016 suicide of activist scholar Rohit Vemula of the University of Hyderabad. The report also absolves all accused of any complicity in abetting the suicide. Vemula's suicide was turned into a cause célèbre to galvanize campus protests against the Modi government across the country.
जो रोहित के खिलाफ हुआ है वो सिर्फ रोहित के खिलाफ नहीं हो रहा है, हमारी यूनिवर्सिटीज में बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ ये होता है। लड़कियों को दबाया जाता है, दलितों को, आदिवासियों को, अलग अलग लोगों को दबाया जाता है। अगर आप सचमुच में इससे लड़ना चाहते हो तो हमें एक कानून की जरूरत है, एक ऐसा कानून जो कॉलेजेस में, यूनिवर्सिटीज में डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को बंद करे।
The Lutyens lobby and the entire Khan Market gang came together to project the suicide as proof of how India under Modi was turning against Dalits and other deprived sections of society. Rahul Gandhi jumped in, meeting Vemula's mother in Hyderabad and making a speech in parliament attacking the Prime Minister.
वायदों का जाल बिछाया मोदी जी ने, मैं ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा, वो करूंगा, और फिर सवाल उठने लगे। पहला सवाल रोहित वेमुला ने पूछा, मैं दलित हूं इसलिए मुझे क्यों मारा जा रहा है? और आप लोग क्या करते हो? हिंदुस्तान की सरकार की शक्ति उसके कंधों पे ऐसे दबा देते, उसको आपने दबाया और बेचारे ने आत्महत्या कर दी।
Pandering to the lobby, Rahul Gandhi even promised a Rohit Vemula Act if Congress came to power. The closure report with all these details has come ironically when there's a Congress government in Telangana and the Rohit Vemula Act finds mention in party's 2024 manifesto also. Union Minister Smriti Irani was targeted by Congress for her speech in Parliament as then Women and Child Development Minister. Irani had said, I look at the case as the death of a child and not as a death of a Dalit.
जब इस घटना के बारे में मैंने सार्वजनिक बयान दिया,
Nothing will go on record.
तब मैंने कहा
Only minister.
कि इसको जाति की नजर से मत देखो। मैंने एक बच्चे की बात की, एक दलित छात्र की बात नहीं की। मैं चुनौती देती हूं, कोई भी मुझे उंगली उठाकर कहे कि मैंने जाति के आधार पर न्याय करने का या अन्याय करने का दुस्साहस किया। मेरा नाम स्मृति ईरानी है, चुनौती देती हूं, मेरी जात क्या है बताकर देखिए।
Police under Congress has proved her right. Coming as it does ahead of the third phase of polling on May 7 when Telangana goes to polls, the Rohit Vemula closure report is likely to become a hot election issue.
सर नहीं, मैं जो बोलना वहाँ बोलना।
थैंक यू।
But more importantly, the question is, would the Congress apologize for playing dirty politics over the dead body of a student who was struggling to find his feet? Given that Rahul Gandhi's entire 2024 campaign has been about social justice. Let's debate.
And what a terrible lie that is. What an approach, it's like a vulture-like approach. He's not a Dalit. And you went around the whole country, Rahul, Shazia, Professor Jyotsna of the TDP, Karuna Gopal, political analyst, right-leaning, Syed Asad Abbas, Umair Junaidi, who supports the Congress, as does George Kurian. You go around the whole country provoking people, George, saying that, Dalits have been targeted. Now your own government says that he was not a Dalit and says the case was wrong. And your government, Congress government, has filed a closure report into the case. So Congress government has said that Rahul Gandhi has lied. But what a lie this is. What is the implication of the lie? You are trying to create unrest in universities across the country, George. You want to provoke young people. You want caste-based violence. You want riots to break out. Umair Junaidi, I want Professor Jyotsna Tirunagiri, national spokesperson of the TDP, to comment on this. You must have seen the details of this case. Professor Jyotsna, should the case not be made against Rahul Gandhi and other Congress leaders for provoking on the basis of caste on campuses?
Then why? Then Narendra Modi should be also.
No, Omer, let Professor Jyotsna come, then I'll come to you, please. I'll come to you. I will come to you.
Why?
Yes, Omer.
One second.
Omer, put Omer. Omer. No, let Omer be on right. 1 second. Let Professor Jyotsna continue. Yes.
Arnavji, initially I would say that it is very unfortunate that we lose a youngster in this country. And his death has been politicized that way. And that's my major concern. The death of a youngster is politicized. For what reason? He gave a suicide note. Why wasn't the suicide note properly analyzed? Why was there a caste remark on that? Why was, his death not properly investigated on? That's my point. Why was it given a completely different turn altogether? Whether we call it a casteist remarks or whether we call it a casteist turn. But I truly, as a professor, as an academician, I feel a youngster lost his life in the academic field there in the university. So what are the reasons? Whether it is the mental, condition of the child, whether the academic pressure there or any other sort of a pressure that he is facing, what went wrong? And why was that? One second. You need to stop. 1 second. Let me complete. Because you have enough politicized it. I'm sorry to say this, you have enough politicized this. This has happened in 2016.
That's not true.
And I'm a resident of Hyderabad. Let me speak out here. I am a resident of Hyderabad. I have seen what happened in the universities then. I have seen what happened in the universities across the country then. My question still remains unanswered. What went wrong in Rohit Vemula's case? What went wrong? Why was he, compelled to commit suicide? Why wasn't that particular thing being, investigated on? Why was it immediately given a turn of
One minute. Professor Jyotsna,
Isn't it
Professor
correct,
Jyotsna, moot point. We are in the middle of a national election.
Yes.
And today Congress party is saying we will bring a Rohit Vemula Act, point number 21 of the Congress manifesto, to address discrimination faced by students belonging to backward and oppressed communities in educational institutions. Now, in this case, the whole basis, they made Rohit Vemula a name on the basis of which they want to do their Dalit caste, Dalit Muslim politics. Now, I am telling you, people of the country, the Congress party wants to break India on Muslim versus non-Muslim, Dalit versus non-Dalit, SC, ST, OBC. They want to do this, but they will fail. I'll tell you why they will fail. I will tell you why they will fail. Omar, listen to me. Congress, your party, your state government, Karuna is there. I mean, you have no... Okay, you can debate with Karuna. Your government, your party has said that you are lying. If it was a BJP government which says Rahul Gandhi is lying, is different. Revant Reddy is saying Rahul Gandhi is a liar.
Did Revant Reddy say that Rahul Gandhi lied?
Yes. Revant Reddy has said, my view is...
That was very unfortunate.
Yes, of course, that is unfortunate. But if somebody presented a wrong caste certificate, if somebody presented a wrong caste certificate, I'll go to Professor Jyotsna again, she's also an academic.
Yes.
And if he's taken his life for fear of being, that fact will come out, it is most unfortunate. He should have not taken his life, but to put a Dalit angle to it is completely wrong in my view. Professor Jyotsna and Omar.
That is my...
Can I get 30 seconds?
No, 1 second. Let me complete. The point is...
Our side also needs to make a point, ma'am, with all due respect.
1 second. What I mean to say is, that is my entire point of concern. Why was his death politicized and why was a caste card being used there? Immediately, as soon as the death happened, as soon as he committed suicide, immediately, completely the entire narrative changed. It was completely casteist. Completely. Because we have witnessed it, we have seen it through our own eyes. All the night, we had people there only talking about caste. My point is, a youngster lost his life.
Yeah, because the incident had been...
Don't say that. It's not about caste.
He was troubled because of his caste. Because of the caste, he was troubled, and it was the provocation by the VC on the basis of his caste which led him to commit a suicide.
Why don't you talk of it? Why don't you talk of what he was undergoing, whether it was academically or what? And then these guys come up and say that he was being harassed for, he was not given the scholarship amount or whatnot. There was some paperwork. Initially, he was given scholarship for 4 years because he has done PhD from another stream.
What was
Then
the
he changed
paperwork?
to another
What
stream.
was the paperwork?
Arnab ji,
Where you the
let me
investigation
complete
officer?
my point because
Where
this
you the
is how
investigation
the
officer?
CBI
Did you find the
Arnab ji,
paper?
let me complete my
Why
point.
did you inform the police
come on,
department?
hold on,
Why
hold on,
did
Reddy,
you inform
hold
the
on. Hold on, let me complete
investigating
my
officer?
point. Let me complete my point.
Sitting
The
there,
point
sitting at the
is
first
he
level,
has
he will be
switched
taken,
into
madam.
a different stream, and that's the
Point is
reason
very clear.
scholarship was
Rohit
delayed.
Vemula
Why do you
committed
bring a
suicide
caste
because
point
he
there?
was troubled.
Why do you bring
He
a caste
was,
point there?
troubled and tortured because of his caste. And today, the police, without working on the fact why he committed the suicide, they closed the report, the case by reporting a
See, that is in
statement
the
that
hands of
he
the
was not
police,
belonging to the
not in the hands of anybody else. And now you even compel the police to come out and say that we will reinvestigate. For what will you reinvestigate? What have you done all these years? What have you done? Now that the report is not in your favor, you come out and say that we will reinvestigate. Come on. Stop politicizing the deaths of youngsters.
If it's possible and if it's required, we go for the investigation and proper investigation will be done to the case. Madam. It is not the BJP will say when you do whatever.
You know, there was an attempt to say, for example, Omar, very interesting point, please, that he was, because of his caste, not allowed entry into certain sections of the university. This was also false, Shazia, because